Yeah, so we're not going to see the fast ones again. Yeah. Ah, good. We're in the right area. Oh, we're in 7.
は新横浜に停車しております。まもなく発車をいたします。お乗りのお客様はご注意ください。
Okay, so that was the best shots I could get of my Shinkansen rides. I actually was on it like 3 or 4 times. This is now where I'm at in Nagoya, a map of my surrounding area, and this is how many hobby shops are within like a mile and a half. So the first hobby shop I went into, I walked to, was about a mile away or so, and just had case after case after case of trains. HO, all of them were in the HO size. Lots of high-speed rail, lots of passenger lines. Really thought about getting that Shinkansen because that's what I actually rode on. But here are a mixture of the brass and non-brass and the Kato engines. Just amazing how much stuff was in this little tiny shop that you see here. The JR Railroad shop. Well, again, it wasn't that far of a walk. It was pretty nice. On my walk back, I decided, look, there's a Denny's. I should at least show you guys that they have American stuff there. This hobby shop I decided not to go into because it just looked like some guy's storage locker, and it was really bad. But then, closer to the railroad station that I stayed at was this hobby shop. So he kind of dealt more in N scale and did a lot of resale. So this was kind of really interesting to go see. And he had this nice little layout in the hobby shop. He had quite a bit of brass and, like I said, a lot of secondhand stuff. Obviously, mostly Japanese, but a lot of it. He did have some American stuff, but just the amount. And he had pieces, parts, and things, and parts that came back. And they're all at fairly reasonable prices. And you can see very nicely laid out, very well done shop. Again, this is an N-scale one. Thought about getting that too because I'd been on that Shinkansen. And like I said, that was just right around the street from where I was staying in Nagoya on the second floor. Hey, so this is Steve 87th. This was my last train trip out of Nagoya. I went to the JR Train Museum before I got back onto another Shinkansen. And we will take a look at the museum in the next video. So everybody, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.